If you're choosing between Notability and Apple Notes, this isn't just Note app versus Note app. It's powerful study tools versus simple, everyday convenience. So, which one actually makes note-taking easier? Let's break it down. Notability is designed for students, professionals, and handwritten note users. It offers audio recording sync, PDF annotation, advanced organization, and powerful handwriting tools. That makes it especially useful for classes, meetings, and detailed note-taking workflows. But here's the catch. Many advanced features require a subscription, and it can feel like overkill for simple notes. Apple Notes takes a different approach. It's built directly into Apple devices and focuses on speed, simplicity, and convenience. You can quickly create notes, checklists, scans, sketches, and sync everything automatically across devices. The downside is that it doesn't offer the same level of advanced annotation and study tools as Notability. So which one makes note-taking easier? Choose Notability if you want handwritten notes, PDF markup, and study-focused features. Choose Apple Notes if you want fast note-taking with zero setup and seamless Apple integration. Bottom line, Apple Notes is easier for most people because it's already built in and works instantly. But for students and heavy note-takers, Notability gives you much more room to grow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.